Hi, my name is Dan Bullion with Bullion RV Center in Duluth, Minnesota, and today I'm going to do a short video of our brand new 2024 Forest River Flagstaff Microlite. This is the 25FBDS travel trailer. We'll show you the inside, we'll show you the outside, and we'll see what you think. Alright, starting up front, you've got the nice window, frameless and tinted. Power tongue jack up front with LP cover and dual battery cover right behind those LP tanks. You've got huge pass-through storage, 2 slides on the 25FBDS, dual axle, power cord hookup is in this back corner along with your cable satellite hookups and your city water connection and winterization inlet. You've got prep for a backup camera, exterior ladder. There is an accessory hitch on the back along with a spare tire and a cover. It does have the max air fan vents up above too. And then this is also equipped with power stabilizer jacks, all frameless windows, full length electric awning with LED lighting. Here's a shot of those power jacks and the pass-through storage again. And as we walk in, you've got your control panel with all your master light switches, awning button and slide out button, along with your 30 amp solar charge controller right above that. The Microlites do come equipped with an inverter along with a solar panel on the roof. Tons of countertop space, all solid surface countertops. This unit's 25 feet 10 inches in overall length. You've got nice microwave, 3-burner and oven in the kitchen, along with big stainless steel sink and a cover. Flat screen TV, that is a 12-volt TV, so that can be run off the batteries. Then you've got 12-volt refrigerator and freezer as well. And right across from the TV, you've got reclining theater seats, which come with little detachable tables for eating. And then in that brown box there is a outdoor griddle, which hooks onto a C channel outside. Nice sink in the bathroom, medicine cabinet, more closet storage, and then nice big shower. Tons of floor space. And up front you've got residential queen size bed. There's a nice shot of that front window. Storage all up above. And then you've got outlets on each side of the bed with nightstands. And then there is a nice wardrobe slide right here that gives you a little bit more walk around room and more storage. Open these up for you, and they've got the hang-in clothes storage there. There is a TV backer location right on this corner wall here, along with outlets and coax cables. And then you've got an extra drawer right here. Do one more walk around. Again, this unit's only 25 feet 10 inches, overall length, 2 slides, dry weight is about 5,600 pounds. Well, my name is Dan Bullion with Bullion RV Center in Duluth, Minnesota. If you're interested in this new 2024 Forest River Flagstaff Microlite 25FBDS travel trailer, call or text at 218-740-4963. Thanks for watching this video and have a great day.